Mr. President, I have heard the Speaker of Parliament call you lame duck. So, President, I totally disagree with it. And I do not think you will accept that. A year in politics is a long time. So much can be done, so much can be achieved within a year. Mr. President, you can make this last year of yours the most exciting and the most memorable. I know you are capable of doing even more than we can imagine. Mr. President, I wish to remind you that your Vice President will be out there campaigning to succeed you, and so will be many of your ministers and other appointees. In order to successfully continue to steer the affairs of this country under the circumstances, you may need to take some immediate and radical actions that can enhance your legacy and perhaps even enhance the chances of those you would wish to succeed you. I want you to remove the phrase lame duck from the dictionary of politics.
Oh.